The increases are largely tied to the expiration of enhanced federal tax credits. That means a 30-year-old who pays $61 a month could see a jump to $275. In Maryland, lawmakers passed a temporary measure to ease the impact, but relief depends on your income. Health insurance can be complicated and costly. For workers like Bobby Laughlin, the state marketplace has been a lifeline.
I have two jobs. I work in a restaurant, and then I also do HVAC installation.
Neither job offers health insurance, so he buys it through Maryland's marketplace.
And the way that works is that I get a really good health insurance plan for a very reasonable price.
It's reasonable because he doesn't pay full price.
The law recognizes if you don't get your health insurance through your employer, which your employer typically pays 50-60% or more towards that you need a little help being able to make that monthly premium.
Michelle Eberly, executive director for the Maryland Health Benefit Exchange, says that help comes through enhanced federal tax credits, discounts funded through taxes you'd otherwise owe. But those credits expire at the end of the year unless Congress acts, a key issue in the federal funding standoff.
I pay under $70. I pay like $68 a month.
Without the tax credits, he'd pay $400. However, Maryland's General Assembly approved a one-year subsidy to soften the blow, bringing his premium closer to $140 instead of $400, but not everyone qualifies.
So particularly for lower income folks, we will be able to provide that state subsidy and make up that gap. Middle income, we can do about 50%, a little bit higher than that, over 400% of federal poverty level, which for a family of four in Maryland is $128,600. We can't provide anything. So that's where you're going to start to see the significant increases.
And Michelle is concerned higher prices could cause people to drop coverage.
I mean, people want health insurance. They want it for themselves. They want it for their families. But if you can't afford it, and if you're having to make a decision between food on the table or your health insurance, you know which one will go.
There are other changes too. DACA recipients, around 300 Marylanders, are no longer eligible for marketplace coverage. Some immigrants with lower incomes will also lose access to premium tax credits, and others may need to submit extra paperwork when enrolling.
Even though costs are going up, there still are options. We know they won't be as affordable, but we also want our consumers to know that many of the services that are provided are pre-deductible, no copay or coinsurance. A lot of the wellness benefits, getting immunizations, seeing your primary care doctor.
Bobby doesn't want to lose those benefits, which is why he testified before federal lawmakers last week.
It's great insurance, and I'm so appreciative for it. I would hate to see it go.
Michelle says if Congress renews the federal tax credits, Maryland will move quickly to adjust the rates even after the new year begins. In Baltimore, Mallory Safaste, WMAR 2 News.